Let's run in another sales tracker, business sales and inventory tracker. So as you can see, product name is my data sets, my product name, product code, category, unit price, total sales. Now this total sales, I run it by category. This is for this is for this, the third one is for the third one. So total sales for CR7 t-shirts, total sales $2,500,000. Total sales for Bluetooth speaker and all that. Cost price. Now, cost price is how much I bought these things. How much did it cost me to buy it? Total cost per product, like the total cost per each product, right? So now this is CR7 t-shirts. You want to calculate the total cost, which is $900,000. What I did is, how much is the cost for it? $3,000, right? How many of it did I stock in? Did I get 300? So we do this multiplied by this. In Excel formula, I can just do equal to this times this, and it will give you this. Profit, that is how much is my profits from this. Now, profit is calculated when you remove, so for how much you sell minus the cost. So my unit price is $10,000, right? And I bought it for $3,000. So my profit here will be $7,000, right? So now profits, this is, I calculated it, the total profits for all of this. You understand? So we'll do that total cost. This is how much it cost us. Then we'll go to how much I sell this, so $10,000 times how many it is. I sell $10,000. This is how much it is, right? Value of unsold stock. That's for this. You can see stock sold, stock left. So I want to know, okay, all the stocks, all the ones that have not sold, how much are they worth? That's how you get the value of unsold stock. Expected total profit. Now, this expected total profit is how much am I expecting total from the value of unsold stock, right? For each category, from clothing, electronics, blah, 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 and all that. Break-even point. It's a simple thing. Break-even point, that's the exact number of items I need to sell for that my total revenue will equal to total cost. You get? So what I'm trying to say there is how many items of this, for example, this is number one for this, right? Yeah. So how many of this, how many t-shirt do I need to sell that would get me to my total cost? How many t-shirt do I need to sell that I will amount back the total money as it cost me to get 300 of these t-shirts? We go here to represent some of this. You can see I created a pivot table. Now this is calculating the sums of total by product. In other words, how much each product, right? The total for each product. This is it. Then stock in, stock sold. This is another pivot table I created. Check the amount of stock in, stock sold, and the grand total. Now I represent each of these details using charts too, and pie chart and all sort of charts, right? Too in this thing. You can see this one, sum of stock sold, calculating it by category. So I sold 150 accessories, 355 clothing, whatever, and you can see them arranged here, properly arranged here.